Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, July 17th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about one simple thing you can do to make everything better for your business or your business opportunities. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 20 years, full-time since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, oftentimes I find myself, when people send me a friend request on Facebook, for example, and if I don't know who they are, I will go and I will check out their profile page. And a lot of times, people who are involved in the work from home space or the network marketing space, whatever you want to call it, they will have like a link to every single thing that they're doing on their profile, like over in the bio section. And it just, the first thing I think of is like, wow, this person is, they're going a lot of different directions. Because a lot of times there's like, no exaggeration, half a dozen to a dozen links for every single thing that they're involved with, every affiliate program, every network marketing company, whatever it may be. And I look at that and I'm like, wow, this is, can cause massive confusion for somebody. Because it's like, who the hell is going to spend the time to click on 20 links, So it made me want to do this video because one thing that I've done over the years is I've simplified the way that I do everything. And I just have one main hub now. And that main hub is joinruss.com. All right. And joinruss.com has my contact information, and it has the top two business opportunities that I'm a part of over there. And it's just less confusing for people who are visiting it, right? Because I do have other programs that I'm a part of, but I do YouTube videos on those. They can, people can find those on my YouTube channel. Once in a while, I'll post some income proof from the other programs on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. So people can find those. But my top two business opportunities that I'm a part of, they're over on my joinruss.com page. And that's it. I don't want to make it confusing for people visiting. I don't want to make it look like I don't know what I'm doing by having a bunch of links that confuse people. I just want people to go over there and either look at Quicksilver or HBA, the Home Business Academy. Those are my two top businesses, right? For many, many reasons. I love them both. I love stacking precious metals and exchanging fiat currency backed by nothing for real tangible assets. And I love the Home Business Academy because that's the system that I use for marketing. It has the Let's Goal app that keeps me my day in check, so I know what I'm doing every day. It has the funnel builder, which I use I'm actually building something really cool right now using their funnel builder. And then the premium part of it is learning how to build a business, the traffic, the live coaching that we get, all of that, it's just top notch. So I keep things simple and direct people to those two programs. And not only that, but both programs, they take profits, a small percent of their profits, and they give it to Feed My Starving Children, which is a top-notch nonprofit organization that helps feed children and starving families all across the globe, including here in the United States. So I love being a part of that. And it just keeps things simple. It doesn't cause confusion to somebody visiting your site. You can clearly see what I'm doing. And then if they have questions about anything, they can reach out to me, right? And I have links that go to my Quicksilver funnel system, and I have a link that goes to my HBA funnel system. So whenever somebody goes over there and they click on either one of those business opportunities, they're going to get put through my funnel, right? If they opt in for more information, they're going to get put on my list. The system's going to do all the telling and selling for me. The system's going to do all the follow-up emails for me. And if they have any questions, they can reach out to me. And if they join, I get an email saying they joined. And then I go and I send them my welcome email with all my resources. And it's as simple as that, you know? Oftentimes people, they try to overcomplicate things, and you don't need to have all the fancy bells and whistles to have a successful online business or online businesses, right? You just want to keep it simple for the person going over there, checking out what it is you're doing. You don't want to send them to 20 different links and have a link for this affiliate program, a link for that affiliate program, a link for this product you're using, you know, a link for this business opportunity. You just want to keep it simple. And just having one link or one website with multiple income streams on it has worked for me for years now. It's the simplest way to do it. You know, let the systems do the work. You don't have to analyze everything and have analysis paralysis, right? You don't have to have everything perfect. Just send people over to a page that has your 1 or 2 top business opportunities on it and let the system do all the work for you. That's what I do. And go check it out, joinruss.com. I'll leave a link down below so you can go and check it out. Even if you're not interested in my business opportunities, you can see how simple my page is that I send people to. And then my only job is to send people to joinruss.com. And then I get leads every single day. I get signups every single week in my businesses. And it's as simple as that. So I'm focusing on building my empire and not chasing down people. Right? My Facebook is branded to joinruss.com. My YouTube is branded to joinruss.com. I only have one link on my Facebook page, even though I have several businesses. You know, I'm an artist. I have a soap company. I just have business pages for that, right? I have firemedia.com, which is another business opportunity, which I'll be doing some videos about here shortly. But I just put everything, all my business opportunities on joinruss.com and let people go and visit it. And it just keeps everything super simple. So if you're ready to simplify your online business, go and check out joinruss.com. I'll leave a link down below this, and just see how simple that I have this system. I mean, it doesn't have to be rocket surgery. All right? It's be very, very simple. Keep it simple always, and focus on building your empire and not chasing people. And when you do that, you're gonna get better results. All right. And again, I can't guarantee anything, your success or how much money you're gonna make if you join any of my programs, simply because it's based on your work ethic. And most people don't have a very good work ethic. But the people who join me and the people who show up every day and take massive action and stay consistent are the people that get results. All right. So that's it for this video. Just remember, one website, multiple income streams. Focus on building your empire and not chasing people. Let the systems do the work. Make it super, super easy, okay? If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.